Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Facebook account private. So let's get started. So first thing, just open your Facebook app and go to the home interface. And to the rightmost top, you'll be having your profile icon. Just click that. And here you'll be having your profile icon with your name under menu. Just click on that. You'll be taken to your Facebook profile. And in this, to the right of edit profile, you'll be having three dots. Just click this. Option is going to be lock profile under view as. Just click that. And as the name tells, it clearly says make your photos and posts more private in one step, and just click on lock your profile. That's it, your profile has been logged, so now only our friends can see and it is in private mode now. Just click on OK. So if you want to make your profile public again, just go to the same option, but this time you will be having unlock profile option. Click that, and if you click on this unlock, your profile will be the normal public mode. So if you click on unlock profile, that's it, it will be normal mode. So this is how you do it, guys. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.